Now you see my entire values and everything will look below this blue color border, and my
Yeah.
name itself will come on the top, and I can make it a bold. So now you can
Hmm.
see how beautiful this looks like.
Hmm.
Yeah. You need not
Yes.
you need not to create a separate text box. That's what I want to say. That's it. And it's just a three-step process. Make it transparent, make it a center, make a this font as a the Contasia, make a bold, make a white color. That's it. And you will be able to get a really good color there. You can see my screen, right, Dhananjay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Now, what I want to do, I want to also create, let's say, project phase count. So again, I will put, let's say, a stack bar chart. I'll put it over here. Okay. Now, what I want to have a, let's say, phases, the project phase and the count of the phase. So what I need to do, same thing I have to take twice. Like I will take a x-axis phase. It will give me the total, the count of the phase. And again, the phase in the y-axis, it will convert the different phases into the phase 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see there are different phases. Now again, I want to apply a good the documentation practice or the good visualization practice. I'll go to effect, I'll make it transparent, I'll go to title, I'll make it white, I'll say project phases, I'll make it Contasia, I'll make it bold, I'll make it center, and I will increase a little bit. See how beautifully it is showing me now. Now I
Yeah.
can use the slide. I can go below or bottom. If I want to see what are the project in phase 5, what are the project in phase 2, what are the project in phase 4, I can see everything and I can change. Yeah,
Yeah.
clear
Yeah.
everyone?
Yes.
Yogesh, Anish.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I want to create a project summary. How I can create a project summary? I can put a table. Now I want to create a table which shows me total entire project cost, benefit, also let's say the project manager and the project name. So I want to create, let's say, who is the project manager, what project he is doing, or maybe project description will become too much. Maybe we can say project name because the name is shorter. Then I will say I want to see the cost, the project cost, that one. I also want to see the project benefit, and I also want to see the percentage of completion, let's say. Now you can see how beautifully this entire table has been created. And if I want to change, I want to select, let's say, Alina Khan, how much of the project he has done or she has done, how much of the project other people have done. So that entire thing we can change based on this. Now, what I can again go, I can go to the, let's say, general, go to effects, make it transparent. And I also want to put a title, let's say, project summary. I want to give that to a bold. I want to give white color. I want to make it center, and I want to increase the font little bit. And I will adjust over here. Like in a way, it will look very beautiful. It will not look clumsy. It will look very beautiful. Like let us increase little bit font. See how beautiful this look like. Project summary. The entire project things are coming up now. You can see, yeah. And then what I want to create, I want to create one more column for, let's say, cost, benefit, and status, complete in the one. So it is like a combo chart, which is like a line plus line plus the bar chart. All these things in the same thing. So what I can do, I can take a line and stack column chart, which is sorry, I can create over here. I can select the canvas. I can take this particular chart, and what I can do, I can put it over here. Now, what I want to put? I want to put here, let's say year. Firstly, I want to put x-axis with the year. So I can say, let's say, in my which year, what are the things has happened? Let's say I want to also do a project cost, project benefit, and I also want to see the project project cost, project benefit, and what else? Project cost and project benefit and status. Okay. Now I want to see the project status. The line chart comes with the project benefit. So I want to create, let's say, here project benefit, and I want to also give the status, the column with the status, like whether my completions things are there or not. So what I can create now, you can see my status, how many cancelled, how many completed, how many on hold, and how many are, let's say, in progress. All of those things I can see in the same year, like 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. And I can see the line chart, which shows me the benefit also, that how much of the benefit that I have got. Like you can see in the year 2022, I got the maximum benefit against the project that almost like double benefit. Similarly, how much of the benefit that I have got in 2024 and 2025. So likewise, you will be able to see the entire chart. And again, I want to make it a good looking so that I can put a transparency. I can put a title, let's say project cost, benefit and status. And again, I can make it white color, center, make it a bold, and little bit increase the font size. See, mind blown. This is how this entire dashboard, very simply you can prepare for entire thing. Now you want to put, let's say, slicer. You want to put slicer for project manager. You want to put a slicer for, let's say, project name as well. So let's say, let me put a project manager. Now these are the different project managers: Alina Khan, Kamari, Nalay Shah. These are all the wrong names. Like I have just make up the names because original name I cannot put it over here. Again, I can go to effects. I can go to transparency. I can go to title. I can go to fonts. I can make it white. I also want to put, let's say, a title. Select project manager. And I want to make it a white color, center align, and also bold. See, I can put a different color as well. Maybe I can put, let's say, yellow color, because this is my slicer. So I can put a different color, and I just copy this and paste it over here. And I can put it, let's say, project name. I want to put a project name. And I can say the name now. In the title, I can change select project. See, now we are left with only one part, which is the text box. I can put it text box over here. Project management. Dashboard, I can make it center align. I can increase the font. Let's say I want to change the color to white and make a font, let's say 28. And as soon as I put a white font without background removal, it will not show me anything. Like if I go here now, my font is white, background is also white, I'm not able to see. But then what I need to do, I need to select again this one. I need to go to the effects. I can make it a transparent. So then now it will show me the entire color now. Let's say I want to change the color I want to change the color of this to, let's say, yellow color. And I want to put some more images as well. Like you can see, I have put some images over here. Like this image I have put it. I have put this image as well. So how you can do that part? You can, let's say, make it, first of all, make it a bold. We go to the insert image. You go to insert, you go to image and select that particular image. Like you want to put a flash, just put this. Now, as soon as this come, you want to, let's say, adjust over here, copy paste and put it over here. Let's say you have some symbol, you have some, let's say your logo. You want to put your company's logo. You can put that part as well. Yeah, clear? Dhananjay, Rahul,
Yes, sir.
Sanchayati, Anish. Yeah. Now you can put a line. If you want to put a line in between, you can put the line like this. You can put a shape. You can put it like this. You can change the color. You can change the style. Let's say you want to change color of, let's say, white color. Uh, General, go to effects. This is a fill. This is shape is line, flat, rotation. It is the color. You want to change the, let's say, color to white. You want to change, let's say, thickness. Yeah, you can change the thickness. So you can put a line in between. You want to do some other changes, you can do that part as well. See how this entire beautiful dashboard is prepared now. Yeah, Dhananjay, Rahul.
Hello. So one more thing pending.
Yeah.
So yeah, just go to your that original dashboard.
Yeah, there are certain things pending. I'm just saying you right now the dashboard looks
Yeah,
very,
yeah, okay. That's it's very
yeah,
beautiful. Yeah,
yeah. So there are certain things like you might be seeing like this kind of image which I
yeah,
have
yeah,
taken.
like that.
Yeah, this you can put it like you can put it like this. Like you can go to image. You can let's say good to put a benefit icon. And now reduce this much. Put into the project benefit. Like this is your benefit. You need to change the benefit title as well. I think this is not benefit. This is project cost. Let me see. Just see. Yeah, this is the project cost, and this is the benefit. You can change the title to benefit. Yeah. So you can put like this. You can put some more images. You can put image of, let's say, cost.
You have downloaded these images from Google, right?
Yeah, these are the images you can download from Google. You can use the, let's say, any of the Canva or anything. Like you can download from anywhere. These are freely available. I just chosen this because it was white in the color, so it goes very with this one. Like I can put one more as well. Like if you see, this is the completion one. So I can go to image and put this one as well. Yeah. Yeah, things are getting ready, so you can utilize this kind of thing. So, I mean, it is like how much of the efforts that you want to put, you can do that. You can do this in 1 hour also. You can do this in 5 hours also. You can do even 15 minutes also. It's up to you that how you want to do. Like one more dashboard I want to show you, which Yogesh has shared with me. So Yogesh, whatever that the data set that you have shared,
Okay.
uh, yeah. So there are so many customers are there, right? Though so many other customers are there, some currencies there, sales percentage, packing charges, all of those things are there. But there is no start date, end date, so we'll not be able to make any line chart. If you want to make any line chart, you need to have a kind of date, like when it has started, when it has. Now in this, it is completely driven by the percentage of sales, percentage of marketing, installation, and all. So like if I tried preparing one dashboard, you can see which is very raw at this point of time. We need to go in more detail. But right now what I try to do is I just try to put the maximum information possible from your dashboard. But we can do more as well.
Yeah, this was the ERP data.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now you can see what I have done is what is my project total project cost. So it's 14.99 billion. What is my total sales order value, which is my let's say 21.26. Then what is my overheads? What is my net profitability? Now what you can do, you can go in further detail. How many total customers are there? Let's say count of the customer, what are the total customers are there? What are the distinct? So this is the distinct customers and this is the total customers. And then you can go one by one more. Like I just started developing this around 6:30, 6:45. I'll prepare this and I'll send it across to you so that you can also put some more data also into that. Like maybe you will be having a lot of project name, project start date, end date, project percentage completion, all of those things like what we have prepared just now, this entire dashboard.
Yeah,
Likewise, also you can add two things together. Like you have all the commercial data as well and your project data as well. So all these two things you can combine together and you can make one complete simple dashboard. Or you can have the multiple page. Like this is the page one where we have created this. We can add one more page like this one and we can start preparing the dashboard from your like both the sheets which are cardinally like we have last time seen, right? Cardinality, that relationship one to many or many to one, like those
yeah.
relationships.
So like this data I pulled from the ERP. This is purely
Yeah,
for financial things. And start date, completion, everything I'll get from MS project. So how to
correct.
put the data?
So now what you can do, like you need to have one unique ID. Last time, what we have seen in the cardinality,
Yeah,
you will be having ERP. There is one particular common number which will be there for each project, right?
yeah,
So same number you can have in the both the sheets. Then you can connect both the data.
fine.
Yeah. And once you do that cardinality, what you can do, like right now you created a one sheet over here. Like you
Or
can
I
create.
can put a ID which will be common for both the project.
Yeah, yeah. You can put an ID in the Excel sheet and then you can connect both the sheets. Like in this Excel, right now, let me just open the Excel for you. Like you can put one more column over here. Let's say project ID, which is a common, right? You have common project ID for all the projects. See, right now you have maybe around 319 projects you have, right? All these
Yeah,
319 will have some unique ID, which will be in the SAP and ERP. It will be there definitely
right,
because otherwise they will not be able to bifurcate the data, right?
right.
So you can put that ID. Once you put that ID and you can collate from MS projects as well as this. And once there is a common ID, which is your project ID, which is between the MS project Excel sheet and the ERP Excel sheet, then you can connect both the data and then you can start preparing your visual based on two data sets. So you'll be having a two data sheet will be visual. So one will be the project management sheet and then there will be one more. Let's say this is the ERP sheet and this will be let's say your MS project sheet and then you can start building together and then it will be a
Okay,
real fun for you. Then it will be a real fun.
right.
Okay. Dhananjay, Yogesh, Anish, everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
More
Okay.
practice.
Yeah. You need
Yes,
to do
sir.
more practice only. Yeah.